Hi there, Spark fans, Rob Reynolds here. For centuries, people have been devising ways to measure the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. In the 15th century, Nicholas of Cusa came up with perhaps the first hygrometer using weighted wool and a scale. Now, the weight of the wool would vary with changes in humidity, giving a measure to the air's hygrometric state. A few centuries later, in the 1700s, Horace Benedict de Saussure designed a device that used hair, which would expand or contract, or probably more specifically straighten and curl with changes in the humidity. And that device actually became the humidity sensor standard for decades. Now, as tempted as I am to build both of these because they're really cool, sometimes you just need a simple digital solution for your project. Well, that's where this comes in. Introducing the SparkFun Qwiic SHTC3 Humidity Sensor. This Breakout uses Sensirion's SHTC3 Humidity and Temperature Sensor IC, an ultra-low power consumption module. It has a supply voltage range from 1.62 to 3.3 volts and only draws about 4.9 microamps in normal mode and a mere 0.5 microamps in low power mode. It has a humidity range of 0 to 100% with an accuracy of plus or minus 2% and a temperature range from 40 below to 125 Celsius with a temperature accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 degrees. The board hosts a pair of quick connectors for fast and simple hookup, and a couple of 2.2 k ohm pull-up resistors for I2C communication. If you're going to hook up multiple I2C devices on the same bus, you may want to disable those resistors. And if you're looking to use more than one of these humidity sensors, there are jumpers on the back of the board that will allow you to change the I2C address. The small size, lightweight, and ultra-low power draw make these units ideal for environmental monitoring and data logging, and perfect for things like weather stations. However, even if you're like me and not going out very much right now, there are still some indoor applications for which these modules are ideally suited. Follow me. Yoink. Welcome to my humble basement cigar bar. Now, I'm sure the more intrepid travelers out there are thinking, gee, Rob, that looks an awful lot like the Nightjar. All right, perhaps it was slightly inspired by my favorite speakeasy. And it's also where I keep these. Clearly from one of the world's finest cigar makers. I've used the Qwiic humidity sensor along with the Qwiic micro OLED and built them into a cigar box to allow me to keep an eye on the humidity of my fine cigars. Of course, this is just a passive project. If you're actually a cigar smoker and have a humidor, this board can help you not only monitor, but maintain proper temperature and humidity for your fine cigars. So there you are. Whether outdoors or indoors, weather stations or humidors, the SparkFun Qwiic SHTC3 Humidity Sensor will help you keep tabs on the environment around your project. Pick up yours over at sparkfun.com and happy hacking! I've got my notifier. Yes, see, I actually use my notifier. With the variants of sometimes I can't talk right. Sensor is the board for you. Pick up yours, I hated that. Designed a device. He designed it. He didn't just use it. He was the guy. He designed that thing. Humidity for your fine, tripped over it again. This is usually how it goes. I thought there was a cigar in there.